Hello and welcome to the GWSDAT tutorial series. In this series, we will cover the basics of using the free and open source GWSDAT software, with topics including installation, data entry, and analysis. GWSDAT is a user-friendly, open source decision support software tool for analysis and reporting of monitoring data. It is robust, easy to install, and requires only the standard monitoring data, such as well coordinates and time series solute concentration data. The data upload can be done from a variety of formats, like Excel, RStudio, and a Shiny web app. Analysis of the data can be done via the click of a button, whilst allowing the export of results, all with no expert software required. It also runs locally on the user's device.
The basic idea behind GWSDAT is that it combines multiple facets of analysis of groundwater monitoring data into one application, such as mapping groundwater elevation contours, concentration time series, and evolution over time, such as the behavior of a COPC like benzene as a plume over time. More importantly, GWSDAT achieves this through the use of spatiotemporal model, a unique feature of GWSDAT, which is a model that takes into account both the data over a spatial area, but also the temporal dimension, allowing the previous and future measurements to affect the current plot. The spatiotemporal framework leads to more information for the same amount of data than a traditional spatial kriging, and can also therefore achieve the same level of performance with fewer data points. Some benefits of GWSDAT are that it supports design and optimization monitoring and remediation programs to avoid redundant data collection. It can help early identification of potentially new releases, migration pathways, the need for corrective action, and stable or declining trends that may aid in assessing project closure. It can also rapidly interpret very complex datasets from large monitoring networks, like those at refineries or at terminals. GWSDAT is used globally. Please see case studies section on gwsdat.net. It has also been referred to in documents from regulatory agencies like the UK Environmental Agency, who refer to the tool as part of a guidance document on contaminated land risk management. There are many uses of GWSDAT. You can use it for trend visualization, detection, and assessment. Spatial plots like this can be used to show the movement over time, as well as trends and thresholds and well plots. Plume delineation can be assessed to see if a plume for a specified COPC is stable, increasing, or decreasing. You can define your own plume threshold value for delineation, and you can then analyze for plume mass, area, and concentration, and then evaluate the plume stability. You can export each of the plots into various shareable file types. There is a well time series reporting feature which lets you analyze trends over a single well or a matrix of multiple wells. You can view a traffic light style plot to see whether there are exceedances within wells for uploaded solute data for which a threshold value was defined. And finally, you can also access the usefulness for wells for inclusion in data gathering and analysis through the well redundancy functionality. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and if you have any feedback, there is a link to a feedback form in the description of the video.